Some of our members have expressed concerns that the new national respect for marriage law is in conflict with the Church's teachings against same-sex marriage. We see a need to clarify the Church's position on that new law. At the time the National Respect for Marriage Act was adopted, the Church publicly reaffirmed our church doctrine approving only marriage between one man and one woman. Marriage bills previously proposed in the Congress made no attempt to protect religious freedom. The Church came out in favor of amendments that added religious freedom protections to the proposed Respect for Marriage Act. The amended bill was signed into law, but its overall effect was misunderstood because many news stories focused only on the part of the act that affirmed same-sex marriage. The Respect for Marriage Act did restate same-sex marriage as the law of the land, but that added little because that law was already in effect under the U.S. Supreme Court's Obergefell decision. The focus of the Church's efforts was not on same-sex marriage, but on ensuring the act contained the necessary protections for religious freedom. As signed into law, the Respect for Marriage Act included valuable provisions to assure that no federal or state laws could be used to harm the religious or conscience rights of faith-based institutions or their members. In the end, the total law ensures that religious organizations, religious schools and their staff do not have to perform or host same-sex marriages or celebrations. It protects the tax-exempt status of religious organizations. It protects the grants, licenses, contracts, and accreditation of religious schools. And it specifically provides that its own provisions cannot be used to violate anyone's rights to religious freedom. Putting such protections in the federal law was a big step forward. We will be alert to proposed future state action and legislation as we continue our defense of religious freedom.